ice cream na ibinibenta ng sorbetero sa kalye? Go.
Ube!
Probinsyang may norte sa pangalan.
Ilocos Norte.
Ilocos.
Correct.
Nakarime ng show.
Blow.
Wow. Kinatatakutan ng bata sa unang araw ng klase.
The teacher if she's strict.
Hayop
What?
may malaking tenga.
The elephant. Whoa, what the fuck? She copied every of my answers.
Bukod sa
Hot
cheese,
nip.
ano karaniwang flavor ng ice cream na binibenta sa kalye? Sabi mo, chocolate. Sarap yan. Favorite.
Nice.
Probinsyang may norte sa pangalan Ilocos Norte. Services.
That's what I said. Good job.
Ng show, sabi mo,
Bow. Auto, kailangan ng BLOW.
kinatatakutan
Pero okay lang yan.
sa unang araw ng klase, sabi mo, teacher.
That's what I said. How strict the teacher is. Parang yun ang sabi ko eh.
Sabi ng survey.
Managian.
Yeah.
Wow.
48 to go. 48 to go.
All the three I mentioned are top answers. And furthermore, they're the same as hers. So imagine if I were the second person, if I were to think about these answers, I have to prepare already a second-hand answer. Kaya nga, this is the strategy if you're playing Family Feud sa Fast Money round. If you're the second player, you have to plan already alternative answers for those questions.
25 seconds.
Okay? Like for example, in the first question about the ice cream, you plan ube. Pero if unless someone says ube, try something else. Like strawberry, avocado.
Vanilla.
Huh?
Probinsyang may norte sa pangalan.
Camarines.
Correct.
Nakarime ng show.
Blow.
Blow as in hipan. I know that.
Teacher.
Try again. How about the
Klase.
Hayop
Huh?
na may malaking tenga.
Daga.
fox?
40.
Fox have small ears, but they have good sense of hearing.
Bukod sa cheese, ano pang karaniwang flavor na ice cream? Sa kalye, ang sabi mo ay vanilla. Ang sabi ng survey natin ay...
Not that quite high.
Ang top answer ay ube.
That's what I said. Ube, sayang.
Sa pangalan, sabi mo ay camarines.
Especially kapag halo-halo.
Yes.
Nice.
Ilocos Norte, ang top answer. Word na karime ng show, sabi mo, blow. Survey says,
Nice. Not that quite high.
ang top answer ay snow.
Snow, lamig.
15 points to go. Kinatatakutan ng mga bata sa unang araw ng klase, sabi mo yung klase. Survey says,
Good klase. Getting there.
ang top answer mo ay teacher. 8 points to go.
You just need 8 more points.
Na may malaking tenga, sabi mo daga. Kaya ba ibigay?
You just need 8 more points for the win.
Yung top answer. Ang tanong, ibibigay ba na sagot mo ng taga ang 8 points?
Kaya namin to. Daga for the win. 8 points na lang. Sayang. And I told you Daga does not have big ears. That's crazy.
Ang number 2 doon ay rabbit. 30 points. Sayang. But anyway, congratulations.
Never mind. But good job anyway. I'm proud of you. Even if you're so close to 200. Nice job.